Hello YouTube, and today's video is changing the engine oil. Now, what you are going to need is the oil filter wrench. There's a special one, or you can use the universal one. I'll show you that just now. The oil filter, get it from Mercedes because it's basically the same price everywhere else. And also buy their oil. Why? Because I found the oil is $20 cheaper than others. And well, I bought myself, this is a C280. I bought 7.5 liters. So I bought basically a 5 liter and 5 of these 500 mils. Now, there's only two types of oils that Mercedes told me they keep. They keep one for diesel engines and one for the petrol. So, it's petrol, go for the petrol. Now, let me go and show you what else. I forgot to add in, you will need a 30mm socket to remove the drain plug. Or you could just get an oil extractor and shove it down the tube. Also, in addition, put some engine flush and drive your car 200 k's or let it go for 10 minutes idling. You need 13mm for the drain plug because I am doing from the bottom. Pliers to remove this because these are tight. And here is sorry for the language. This is the wrench, and basically we're gonna get it over there. So I'm going to just hook this up to there and I'll be right back.